welcome you to Seattle, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Leave all carrying items secured and keep the aisles clear until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Before leaving, please be sure of all your belongings. Be careful when opening overhead bins because baggage may have moved and can fall out. You may now use cell phones and pagers. All electronic devices must remain off. All of us at American Airlines and the one with the lines, thank you for flying with us today.